There comes a quiet, undeniable moment in life when you realize you're allowed to start over. It's a permission you grant yourself, a profound internal shift, even if the world around you, the people who thought they knew your path, don't understand why you'd ever want to change the script. They see the structure, but you feel the cage. We're taught to equate starting over with failure, as if life is a linear race where any deviation from the path is a misstep. We carry this weight, this fear of judgment, believing that to begin again is to admit defeat. But the truth is far more liberating. Starting again doesn't mean we failed, it means we evolved. It signifies that we've outgrown something that was once essential. Perhaps it was a job that once defined you, but now only drains you, leaving you hollow at the end of each day. Or a life routine, a predictable rhythm that once felt safe, but now suffocates your spirit. Each day an echo of the last. It could even be a version of yourself you perfected for others, a mask that no longer fits, a role you can no longer play. Nobody applauds the quiet courage it takes to walk away from a chapter you've memorized line by line. The choice to close a familiar door, leaving behind the comfort of the known, to begin a story you don't yet know how to write. But true, meaningful growth doesn't happen in the land of certainty. It's forged in the fires of courage, in the willingness to embrace the unknown. Starting over isn't about going backwards. It's about honoring the person you've become. It is a powerful, deliberate step into a future you not only hope for, but actively choose to deserve. So if your heart is whispering, or even screaming, begin again, listen closely. Trust that inner voice. It's the truest compass you will ever own. That whisper is your future calling. And you'll find that the world has a beautiful way of making room for a heart brave enough to answer.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.